problems and keeps the bowels healthy. Step 1. You will need 3 apples, 1 banana, 1 date, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of flaxseed oil. You may also want to add a dash of digestion tincture blend. Here's that list again. You'll also need the following utensils: a chopping board, a knife, a juicer, a spoon, and a blender. Step 2. Chop. Chop the 3 apples and the banana into small pieces. Remove the stone from the date and chop into small pieces. Step 3. Juice. Add the apples to the juicer and juice. Pour into the blender. Step 4. Blend. Add the date, the banana, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of flaxseed oil to the blender. Blend for about 20 seconds. Step 5. Optional extra. Fushi recommends adding a dash of a digestion tincture blend to the glass before you pour. This one contains fennel leaf, burdock root, dandelion root, marshmallow root, peppermint, and chamomile flowers, a combination that will improve digestion. Step 6. Pour. Pour into the glass and serve. Done.